Okay. As part of lean manufacturing for Cheetham Salt, and in particular the criteria for the environmental pillar, the sites have implemented a focused improvement project around gas usage. So first of all, energy was identified as a potential area to look at for cost savings. So stratified down into the Price site, for example, we can see that the gas usage at Price is clearly the #1 offender. So that's then stratified down to our manufactured volume versus our gas cost. And then focusing on 2014, we've further stratified that down to our efficiency in gas at Price, which is in litres per tonne. So you can clearly see there that there was an increased trend in litres per tonne of gas usage. So to focus on this project, the Price site has developed a team. They've named them the Gas Gurus. So in that team we have Dave Sims as the team leader, being heavily involved in the manufacturing and actually the using of the refined salt. We have Andrew Boehm, who's an electrician on site, so any electrical work that may need to be done as part of the project, we have electrical support. We have Andrew Jacobs, who's a site fitter, and he has a wealth of knowledge in gas systems. And I have myself on the team as a support person and to help out from an environmental point of view. In that team, we've developed a SMART target. So the target is to reduce gas usage from an average of 12.88 litres per tonne to 10.95 litres per tonne by 30th of November 2015. This represents a reduction of around 15% usage per tonne, which equates to a saving of approximately $70,550 based on the 2014 total tonnes at the current gas cost of 38 cents a litre. So to kick off the process, basically we go into the do section. So we've had a couple of meetings with the team to write down the list of possible causes of our high gas usage. Multiple suggestions by people in the team. As you'll see, we've got a couple of those highlighted off, which means we've actually gone into the check stage. So basically the check stage is the verification of those possible causes. So what are we going to do to actually check that possible cause is actually valid and validate that is something we need to look at? So 3 of those have also been progressed into the next stage, which is a verification worksheet, which goes through what is the issue, what is the possible cause, how we've actually checked that, and the findings from that verification check. Once we've actually verified that it's a legitimate possible cause, we then provide some corrective actions or improvement actions, which go onto the act sheet. So you'll see that all of the numbering relates to the previous step, and these are the actions that we've currently got in place. We haven't actually completed any of the actions yet, but as we do complete the actions and we realise an improvement from those, they will then be developed into success sheets, which can be shared with other sites as well. And then also we have our results in the centre here. So you'll see that we have 2014 average, which was our starting point, and then we're looking at our gas efficiency through January through to May. Now the project was only started in June, so hopefully with the improvements that we're going to be implementing, we'll see a consistent downward trend from June onwards to try and meet our target of 10.95 litres per tonne. To accompany the FI project, we have a focus improvement audit board. So basically that follows the steps of the FI and basically audit criteria. So in one section we have the FI audit. So you'll see we've done our initial audit yesterday. So there are the actual audit scores. Over to the audit results, which is represented on a spider chart. You'll see obviously starting point is quite low. We need to get each of those steps out to the 80% mark to be considered a pass. And to accompany that, we have an audit schedule which details the dates of when the team is going to be meeting, when we're going to be doing audits, etc. And then the minutes of those meetings, so that any actions that arise from those can be completed as well.